Welcome traders. We are going to learn how to calculate goods lot size, and I will show you the two methods you can use to calculate XAUUSD lot size. The first method is going to be the manual method, and the second method will be the use of lot size calculator, which is the easiest method. But before that, let me explain some things that you need to know. This is our setup that we'll use to do the calculation. In this setup, we have our coordinates that we'll use to calculate the lot size. Lot size formula is equal to risk amount all over stop loss points. But before that, note that one standard lot is equal to 100 ounces. So one standard lot is equal to 100 ounces. So gold is measured in ounces. So one standard lot is equal to 100 ounces. There are some brokers that allow fractional lot size. So we are still going to put fractional lot size into consideration. So we have standard lot is equal to 1.0 lot. Good. The next one we have is mini lot. Mini lot is equal to 0.1. Mini lot is equal to 0.1. Standard lot 1.0. Let me make it simpler. The next one is micro lot. Micro lot is equal to 0.01. Then we have nano lot. Nano lot, which is equal to 0.001. There are some brokers that allow up to 0.001 lot size in gold. So take note. Before we continue with the calculation, let me explain these coordinates here. I'm just doing it for the sake of education, otherwise I would have gone straight to the calculation because it's simple. So the first point here, which is the stop, is gotten by subtracting the stop loss price from the entry price. When you subtract the stop loss price from the entry price, you get this point here, 14.704. Let's do it together. We have our writing tool. And open the setup to see the entry price. We have our entry price here, 4332.759, and the stop loss price is 4318.055. So with this now we can get this point. So let's have it. Pick our writing tool right here. This is 4332.759 minus 4318.055. This is equal to 14.704. That's how this top point is gotten. Here 0.339% is the percentage change in price from entry to stop loss. Then here is the points, the total points between this place and this place from here to here. Now if you move in terms of points, you get 1470.4. I will explain what I mean further. Remember that when you are calculating your stop loss, you don't choose this as the stop loss pips, the one by the left. You always use this one by the right. Most traders make mistake to use this one by the left to calculate it, which is very wrong. It's going to make you blow your account. So to avoid that, pay attention to what I want to do. The distance from the entry point to the stop loss point is 14.704, which you already know how we got it. But take note, one standard lot is equal to 100 ounces. So since this is gold and we know that one standard lot is equal to 100 ounces, what we do now is to multiply these points by 100. If you multiply 14.704 by 100, you will get this point here, 1470.4. So that's what you have. Let's write it down. 14.704 times 100 will give us 1470.4 points. So this is what we use in this our formula here. So suppose we have a trading account of $1,000 and we are risking 2%, which is $20. For us to get the lot size of gold that will place the trade, what we have now is lot size, gold lot size, gold lot size equal to the risk amount, which is $20. I will indicate it after writing this thing, over 1470.4. So let me indicate the risk here. Risk, you see it, risk equal to $20. $20. So if we do this calculation, we get 0.013. It should be 0.0136. If you approximate, you get 0.014. And you can still leave it as 0.013. This is the manual method and the first method I will show you here. And the next thing I will explain before I move to the second method is this. You know that this 14.70 0.04 is in points. So to change it to pips now, you divide it by 10. So to get this value in pips is just 1.4704 pips. You don't really need it. I just explained for educational purposes. So it's not something you need to do here to calculate lot size. Let's focus on lot size. Then moving to the second method, which is using lot size calculator. You go to Google and type lot size calculator and you can choose any one of your choice. I chose my FX book lot size calculator. So account size, our account size, we assumed it to be $1,000. Risk ratio, we are risking 2% of our account. Then stop loss distance in pips. Stop loss. Let's come here and get it. So this is it here. The one on the right hand side, which is 1470.4. Choose it. Come here. 1470.4. So click calculate after inputting all the required details. Click calculate. You have 0.01 lots. So this is it. Let's go back to the chart. And this is XAUUSD. The currency is USD. So this is how you use calculator to calculate it. In order not to bore you with these calculations here, the only thing you need to do is to plot your entry points, your stop loss points, and your take profit points, and you hover on the setup. Just get this point. This is the only point you need. Don't bother about this calculation. I just showed you how these numbers are gotten for educational purposes. So just get this point here, 1470.4 in this case. Your own number will be different depending on your chart analysis. You get the points on the right hand side, not the one on the left hand side. Then you use this formula, just your risk over stop loss. Use this formula, risk over stop loss. So risk over this number here, and you are good to go. If you want to use calculator, then use the calculator method I showed you. Just one number that you need here. This number here on the right hand side, not the one on the left hand side. So it's as simple as ABC. See you in the next video. Bye.